Hey there, it's Dan Maxwell of Amicus Settlement Planners. In today's video, I want to share with you how you can quickly and easily create and share screen recordings. So my number one go-to product is called Screencast-O-Matic. It is a application that you can download to your computer that allows you to create screen recordings and to easily share them. I'm actually creating this video with Screencast-O-Matic. One thing I really like about Screencast-O-Matic is that while there are other alternatives in the marketplace, it's very easy to use and it's relatively inexpensive. So for $1.65 a month billed yearly, you get access to basically everything that you need, and that's the plan that I currently use. So it's very, very cheap and it works great. You can upload your recordings straight to YouTube, to Dropbox, and to a number of other sites, which is really, really convenient. It will track your mouse movements, it will record your computer audio, and record any input microphone. So one purpose that I often use it for is, let's say I want to attend a webinar, but I have a conflict. One thing I can do is I actually turn on Screencast-O-Matic, and I can set it to record the computer's audio and capture my screen, and that way I can watch it after the fact. So that's one use case. Another great use case for Screencast-O-Matic is, let's say you're working with a graphic designer or an employee on a document or whatever it may be, and you want to give them some feedback. A visual screen recording is often much easier than communicating back and forth via text or email. And so it's just great to be able to record a video, point out the things that you want to change, and send it back to that employee quickly and easily. So this is often what I do with people that I work with, is just record a quick video showing some of my feedback or thoughts and send it back. And that way there's nothing really lost in translation of written text. So definitely highly recommended for that kind of communication. Also, it's a great way if you want to, for example, let's say record a presentation on PowerPoint. What you can do is capture your screen and just talk over it. It's a great way, an easy way to record a simple presentation. So for example, you could create a PowerPoint presentation or a Google Slides presentation and use Screencast-O-Matic to record your screen and simply walk through that presentation. Right? It's a great way to get content easily created and without a whole lot of tech expertise. So that's another great use case. Screencast-O-Matic is definitely my number one recommendation. An honorable mention goes to Loom, which is a great way to quickly and easily record videos as well. It is based on a browser, and I found it to be occasionally buggy, but overall it does a great job of recording screen recordings quickly and easily. So you would add this Chrome extension to your browser, and then you can choose whether you want your screen and your face or just the screen, and you just go ahead and click Start Recording. You would choose the screen that you would want to capture, and then it will give you a countdown timer. You can go ahead and record your video, and then once you're all done, you go ahead and you can click on this browser extension, and it will stop the video, and it will immediately give you a link to share. And so it is a really, really nice way to get a quick link to share. With Screencast-O-Matic, they have their own quick sharing option as well. So if you're looking to communicate more effectively with colleagues, coworkers, employees, screen recording is a great way to go. And I highly recommend using Screencast-O-Matic or Loom to do that because they're both simple, easy to use, and quite effective. So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thanks.